So I'm gonna to start today's topic about education. So you know very well that education is very essential for us and in our life. Suppose you are an educated person and you want to be do you want to do succeed and you want to do something different in your life. So you can be educational person and you will be a successful person in your life because everybody thinks that they must be given the priority of education because we have right to give education to most other peoples. If I talk about education, so you know very well that suppose you are going to school, okay, and you are not be able to get uh, good education in a school. So what kind of person are you are not be able to give their time your time there, and your father is spending money, your father is giving you money, and they are sending you a school for a right education so that you could do something different in your life. Education is essential for that you can build your career for forever, and with the help of education you can live luxurious life, and you can live tremendous life. You could stand with unity, with power, with diversity, and you can change your life so that suppose you are educated person, everybody will come to meet you. They will say how what kind of person is he has a too much knowledge, he's a educated, he's a well educated person, he has lot of things, and I want to meet him. So people will stand in the queue, okay, in the queue people will stand in the queue and they will wait for you. They will wait maybe for a long time, for maybe they will wait for you for a while. After a while they will wait and they will talk to you. They will in any condition, in any cost, in every condition they will come to meet you. And if they heard about you that Neha ma'am is well educated, Monica ma'am is well educated, and Charu ma'am is well educated, I must meet to them. If I met, it must be able to good for me, and I can change my life also. So guys, education means is that our life begins from the beginning forever, so that we could build ourselves, our career, we can improve our personality, our communication skills, our sitting style, and whatever you want to say. If we talk about the right of education, so everybody must be given the priority of education, because education is very important for others and for everyone, because we should not what we can say we should not discriminate to people that no, you don't have right to do educate, and you don't have right to do something different in your life. You are poor, you are rich, so education is important for us. If I talk about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, when he was when he was child, then everybody was discriminated to him, used to discriminate it. Then he used to say that he is from other caste, we will not be able to provide him education. So he was facing lots of problems, but he built his own system and he got 30 degrees, maybe different type of degrees. He went to abroad and he learned so many things. He got their constitution and he studied hard, and he gave his 20 years to education, and then he became what we can say the father of constitution. And now we are facing same problem today, because earlier we used to face a problem, the poor versus rich, but now we are facing problem. The problem is, the root of this problem is money. Suppose I have no money, then I cannot be a educated person, I cannot be a successful person, I cannot send my students, my son, my daughter to any good school, a well educated school, well developed school, and he will not be able to get their chance. And suppose I am rich, I can easily go. So right is, we are distributing rich education and poor education. So education means is that you have to learn something different from your life. For teachers, if suppose your teacher is not educated, your teachers are not well educated, then how can you say that you are the person of words and you are a punctual of time? Your teacher is not a punctual of time, okay? Your teacher is not coming. It is not a necessity to blame your teacher, but it is a reality today's era. and somebody wants to be educated, they want to be, suppose I am teaching you, so I am thinking of you there, as Monica ma'am said that sir is teaching, sir is educating to us, sir is making us educate. Okay, so I am only giving you chance. If you are not be able to educate yourself and become a successful person, so it is not my fault, it is your fault, because it's my duty, it's my work, then I am making you do. If if you want to do, definitely you can do it. So like this is a education, and without education, our life is like a hell. Okay, without education, one thing one person said, that your money can be stolen, your money can be stolen, and your clothes can be stolen, your food also can be destroyed, all this thing, but your education never be finished, and never be come out to other side and to other person. Okay, your education always with you, not with others, and your education must be able to with you, because you know very well that you are educated person, and you thought about yourself that no, I'm educated person, so I can do something different in my life, I can do it for my family members, because I know that I'm a person of words, and I have sacrificed my life for my family members. So like this, we have to only say to people that education is very important. If you study in a school, in college, you will get a degree, you will pass out, you will get through in the exam, then you will become a teacher, doctor, collect anything. So you are an educated person, somebody will come to meet you, please help me, you will help them, poor, rich, anything else, and the other caste, they will come to you, then ask you a question, then you will help. Like this, you will make them understand, you will make them speak frankly, so that they could come to meet you easily. But now in today's era, 21st century, our education system has been destroyed. Our education is not good, not perfect, and somebody is going another, like I don't want to blame to others and don't want to provoke anything else. I want to only promote that education is not good in today's era. If you want to change, then you will have to change some articles from your constitution, then you can change your education. Because I want to talk about 1935, when Lord Macaulay came to India, and then he visited India, and he visited 20 years, till 20 years he visited India, and he captured some good things, and he went to Britain. Means colonial rule was going on their side. Then in 1835 he said to them that I went to India. Then they asked the question that what did you see in India? He said there is no any poor in India. My first point, there is no any poor in India, and there is no any poverty in the India, but India is well educated, and India's people, India's citizens are well educated. So like this he came to India and he visited. Then he said that if we talk about our education, he said our education system is very bad. There are too many poor, so many poor in our country, all these things. So you know very well that we came to India, Lord Macaulay, and he destroyed our education system. He gave his education system here. There was ashram in our education system. Girls were going to study, and boys were going to study. A monk was teaching them and giving them exam. There was no any chance to give exam, like you are sitting in the exam, you are writing. There was no any system that time. Our education system was very good that time. But if today, yeah, so like this we can say about the education. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. Okay, guys.